guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone! So this is chapter 42 of My Wife, titled To Protect Zhao After Growing Up. So, I'm so excited, right? We all know, we all are excited about this chapter. Okay, let's start reading. My lord. My lord. Tamo to, hingal na hingal yung tauhan mo kasi para mabalita sa'yo. Why are you on your own? Where is the child? Hanap mo ngayon. Pinakulong mo nga, di ba? We nearly got fooled. Muntik na talaga. She's not our miss. Buti na lang, nahuli. It was fortunate that I bumped into that young boy, Xiaoxun. Otherwise, I would have made a mistake again. He also gave me a wooden carving to identify Miss. Let me see it. Right, those people are speaking for debt. I'll deal with them later. Dapat lang, parusahan mo yun sila ha. Niloko kayo nun. Tsaka pinahirapan yung anak mo. O ngayon, gulat ka, no? Xiaoxun said that she's mine. Oh, look at his reaction. O, diba? Gulat na gulat. Paano pinakulong niya yung sarili niyang anak? Ano ka ngayon? Isn't she the rich girl I ordered to be captured a moment ago? Yes, indeed. She is the one. Aren't you mistaken? There is absolutely no mistake this time. I have verified it with the villagers. Todd. Nabitaw na bigla. What have I done? Oh, what have you done talaga? She's my... Yes, she's your daughter. My lord, what's the matter? Huh? Where are you going, my lord? Put aside whether or not she will acknowledge me as her father. Dapat lang, pinakulong mo. I'm afraid it will be more difficult to ask for her blood to make medicine. Sorry ka. Russell. Saan siya pumunta? The Guzu Prefectural Office. Marcus, why have you come? Don't worry, I will definitely punish her severely. Di mo pa nga na, yun lang nakasalanan, severely agad. Out of my way. Swish. Empty. Wala na. Tumakas na siya. Parang wala naman talaga silang kasalanan. Mapagmataas ka lang talaga. Where are they? I personally saw that girl, the child, getting on the carriage. But how did they vanish into thin air? Could she be an escape artist? Might be. Talented lang talaga siya. It's mismanagement on my part. I will send people to capture her and deliver severe punishment. Let's see if she dares to escape again afterward. Tignan natin kung sino. Sino? You corrupt official. Why would you capture children? And you want to punish them severely? You're gonna go to hell. Ikaw nga yung nagpahuli. Nagbago lang yung isip mo kasi anak mo pa lang. Pero kung ibang tao yun, bad, very bad. Ba talaga pag mayayaman, no? Lalo na nung, yung mga nakaraan. Ibang era. Didn't you order me to capture them? You did it just because I ordered you? Of course, ikaw yung mas mataas yung ranggo mo eh. As a parent and an official, you don't defend the people's grievance. You only know how to flutter and cater to those in power. What use do you have? Ikaw nag-utos eh. Binaliktad mo ha. I'm actually the innocent one here. Asa na kaya sila? Huff. O, ito. Nandito si Jao. Nakatakas. Tuwang-tuwa ha. Were you afraid back there? Huh? I wasn't afraid. That's great. Lonely na naman ang ating Gujao. It doesn't seem suitable for children to learn to attempt prison breaks. Robin, nasira niya yan. Lakas niya naman. You're very amazing, Jao. Huh? I also want to become very capable, even more capable than you. Diba? May dreams na siya agad. That way, you don't have to be capable anymore. Oh, so sweet. What? Nashock siya, syempre. Ikaw pa naman sabihan ng ganun. You must have a lot of burdens, right? My master said that capable people have many burdens. Oh. And many more burdens will keep piling up in the future. Keep piling up. Sa bagay, tama naman siya. May punto din tong batang to ah. It's the first time someone asked me about my burdens. Oh, nag-reflect na naman siya sa past life niya. Nga naman, tama naman oh. Paano nangyari sa kanya past life niya? Bakit puro ganyan? Bakit parang nasa laboratory siya? After joining the organization in my previous life, I was trained to the point of near collapses every day. Oh. The only cared about whether I could complete my mission. Wawa naman pala siya before. Kaya siya nabigyan siya ng second life eh. To be happy. Am I making you feel tired? Not at all. Taking care of you is not tiring at all. For real? Happy nga siya eh. Kasi before wala naman kasi siyang ibang kapamilya. Yes, for real. Wait until I grow up, Chow. Ano na naman balak nito? When I grow up, I will carry you up to the mountains. I will carry you on my back. And I will bear all of your hardships. Oh, so sweet naman this kid. At that moment, Guja had no idea that a vow made by a child at the age of 3.5 would truly be fulfilled when he grew up. Siya na yan paglaki. No one ever dares to make her suffer again among the entire world. Uy, parang magandang ano nito ah. Next side story ah. Let's go home. Alright. Sa bridge na sila. Ano kayang ginagawa ni Marcus ngayon? This silly child is already tired on the way back. Nakatulog. Ciao. Girl. Ay, si Marcos. Hinintay siya. O ngayon, speechless ka. Hindi mo alam anong sasabihin mo sa anak mo. Pati nga sa'yo. I have been waiting for you for quite a while. Why are you exactly looking for me? So, hindi na tuloy siya magtitiwala sa'yo. Miss may respeto to eh. I am not here to capture you. I have no ill intentions. Ngayon, mabait ka na. Nagbago ng timpla mo. I have no ill intentions. My surname is Go. I am the Marquess of Dingan. The Marquess of Dingan's Hot Spring Manor. If you're here to apologize, then there's no need. I don't care. That's not it. I came to find you because there's something I need to tell you. Sabihin mo na. You might find it hard to believe, but you and I, we... Lots of words. Ano ba yan? Sabihin mo na kasi. Why can't I spill it out? What about you and me? You wouldn't happen to have some strange fetish and be interested in me, would you? Iba't naman yung nasabi. Iba tuloy naisip niya. What does this girl take me for? Does anyone insult their own father like this? Do you know who I am? Yan ka na naman, galit ka na naman. I am your what? Your what? Ba't bitin? Swish. Ouch, ouch. My lord, did you get beaten? It wasn't by Miss, was it? You couldn't even stand up against Miss. Hindi nga siya makapag-ano dun sa anak niya na lalaki. I just didn't bother arguing with her. It's not like I can stand up against her. Anak mo nga talaga siya. Para siyang gali. Alright, fine. I misspoke. Please get an carriage and rest for a while. Did Miss really hurt you that much? Didn't you tell her that you're her father? Of course I did. How did you try to explain? I told her I'm her old man. She thought I was insulting her, so she bit me up. You might as well tell her you're her dad. Is the word father taboo or something? Ewan ko sa'yo, Marcus. Now, nasabi na niya na siya yung father. Nalaman na din niya. Nalaman na niya na siya yung anak. Tapos nasabi na din niya kay Gujo na siya yung father. Pero hindi siya pinansin. Nagulpi pa tuloy. Alright. This is the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next one then. See ya, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!